Interest rates may sound boring, but in this market, they could cost or even save you thousands of dollars. Here's what every Texas homebuyer needs to know. What's going on, everyone? My name is Brandon Holley with Holley Homes Realty, and if you're a first-time homebuyer, it's tough right now. Rates are up and down, and the market is a little uncertain of what's going to happen next, and it's a decision you have to make. Is now the right time to buy? The truth is, while the market feels uncertain, there are actually some great opportunities out there right now, especially if you know where to look. In this video, we're going to break down how rising and falling interest rates affect your monthly mortgage, why waiting has historically cost buyers more, and how new construction is opening doors literally for buyers across Austin and Central Texas. Want to learn more about the buying process or how some builders are offering rates as low as 3.99%? Call or text me at 512-487-9242. I'd love to help you explore your options. And don't forget to like and subscribe for updates on new construction and how builders are helping make home ownership possible right here in Central Texas. All right, let's start with the biggest question. How do interest rates affect your monthly mortgage? And more specifically, what does a 3.99% mortgage get you compared to the current? Here's the deal. For every 1% increase in interest rates, your buying power drops by about 10%. So if you qualified for a $400,000 home at 5%, that same monthly payment might only get you a $360,000 home at 6%. That's a huge difference in what you can buy. Just in case you're thinking today's rates are crazy, check this out. Here's a look at mortgage rates historically. Yes, I know home prices are higher today, but interest rates have always moved in cycles. They go up and they come back down. The real question is, what does waiting actually cost you? Because while you can refinance later, you can't go back and pay less for that home. Now let's talk about waiting because I hear it all the time. I'm just going to wait until rates drop. And here's the issue, and we saw it play out just a few years ago. When rates drop, demand surges, more buyers jump into the market, and that drives prices way, way up. Let's take a look at home prices versus interest rates over time. Yes, rates go up and down, but home prices generally keep rising. They may dip here and there, but the long-term trend is up. That's why many smart buyers choose to lock in the price now while demand is still moderate and then refinance later when rates come back down. And this is exactly where the opportunity lies for you today. All right, so here's the good news, especially for first-time home buyers. Builders are stepping up across Central Texas, and right now, many are offering incentives that make home ownership way more affordable, even in today's rate environment. All right, so here's what I'm seeing. Interest rate buydowns. I've personally seen rates as low as 3.99%, which could give you tens of thousands in additional buying power over the life of your loan. Assistance with closing costs. Some builders are covering thousands in fees to help get deals done, and bottom line pricing or design credits to customize your home without going over budget. And if you're new to the process and have questions, you can download my free homebuyers guide at hollyhomesrealty.com. There's a link down in the description. Trust me, I am not trying to force anybody into buying a home. I'm just trying to give you the right information because if you are in the market or looking to dip your toes in the water to see if buying a home is possible, I truly think right now might be the time for you. And I would love to talk about it with you because remember, a home is always going to be your biggest savings account. All right, so what should you do if you're thinking about buying a home? Start the process. Even if you're not quite ready to buy today, taking that first step will show you what to work on, whether it's credit, savings, or simply understanding the timeline. Knowledge is power and it puts you ahead of the game. Explore new construction. Seriously, right now there are over 200 actively selling communities across Central Texas. each offering different incentives, styles, and locations. There's seriously something out there for almost every budget. And most importantly, work with a realtor who knows this market, has strong relationships with builders, and knows how to spot the best deals. So here's the bottom line. Do not let the wild interest rates hold you back because there are options out there to help save you money. And if you have questions about any of them, please reach out. My number is 512-487-9242. That will reach me directly. You can call or text or email me at brandon@holleyhomesrealty.com. Trust me, I am here for you. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Brandon Holley with Holley Homes Realty here in Austin, Texas, and I would love to get the opportunity to work with you.